Welcome back to Pree Dis. I am Kerwin and we're live here in Florida, South Florida to be exact. Now keeping the show rolling, it's now time for the Caribbean music video of the week. So Caribbean time, here we go.
Fling bumper, say wine and go down like that, go down like that. Give me the girl who come to give, the kind of wine to remember. The kind of girl who come to play, so you can't call she no pretender. I love the way they just get on, so I don't care who watching on. Cause I just wanna wind up my body 1 foot off the floor. Come back again like we get a encore. Press on your body like a piano. I want you give me more and more. Wind up my body 1 foot off the floor. Come back again like we get a encore. Press on your body like a piano. I want you give me more and more, yeah.
Girl, you're more than a million. You should be a billionaire. The way you whine and you put it down, yeah, yeah, yeah. I want you give me a chance, girl, to make your life a movie from just one dance. You see, I don't know what to say. Yeah. I'm speechless, baby. Nothing you do, I go regret, baby. Yeah. I don't know what to say.
That was the Caribbean music video of the week. Now, keeping the show rolling, it's now time for the Pree Dis, Our Trailblazer segment, which features one of my personal favorite, Sizzla Kalonji. Now, stay tuned and watch this.
His music is timeless and he has carved a niche for himself in reggae circles. Although controversial at times, Sizzla Kalonji has continued to mesmerize fans all across the globe with his brand of reggae music. His sophomore album, Black Woman and Child, catapulted him to international heights. Songs like Just One of Those Days, Thank You Mama, and international collaborations have continued to resonate his music in the hearts of fans. A Grammy nominee, he has also won several awards for his work. For his major accomplishments in music, we salute Sizzla Kalonji as our trailblazer for having excelled in and contributed significantly to Jamaican and international pop music culture.
Now it's time for your personal favorite segment of this show. It's the Magnum Top 10 chart. Check this one out. Pree Dis.
That's not picking a media. In a media. Alright then, under gala when me fling.
Y'all can't see me a start problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over no man.
Still stay strong, still stay strong. Man straight for my life, me never weak out when the rough days on.
You know the fight, all the hate, all the lies done me, and somebody want me love. Push me another time, never sing another rhyme. Cut me now, you good and us in the blood. Ready up again, pain.
Every day we rise and see the sun, you know that it's a win. The fans them say liquid, now I go and do nothing. This a fire where you burn, straight from within. Get your youth, well blessed, car mama never see.
Mama now go, me now go nowhere. She living it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey,
Follow you confide in her. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just enemy, hard for just.
Every morning a girl in a me bed, that's how me live. To the haters cause me now Chacha boy, be a chacha ni si gwan we. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni si gwan. See the flare king.
I like how me feel for tough, me feel for rough, pull off your any scarf. Pull up like the streets, me hear them say your blood. But tell some no if you approach me, them no see some me dog. 100 degrees, how me there up north. And he's a got me on the line and them say me just start.
That was the Magnum Top 10 chart. I am Kerwin, and that's how we're going to leave you this week on Pree Dis. But I implore you to stop by next week on your favorite show. It's the best place to stop for 30 minutes. Once again, I'm Kerwin. You're watching Pree Dis, and we love you. Have a great day.
Our spirit is proud spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit